Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Visual Communication in the Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. Really excited. We're almost there. Really awesome to see your projects and everything. And I'm really excited to see where all those finished projects are going to end up. So it's going to be really great. And we only got 1 week left. So this course really went by fast. Had a lot of fun analyzing a lot of different visual responses, and really excited because next week we're going to talk a lot about iconography and icons and symbols, and we're kind of going to go back to semiotics in a small adjusted way, and that's how we're going to really apply with that. But figured just give you some quick announcements. This should be a really quick announcement for you, so I just want you to focus on your projects this weekend. So next week, last lecture is going to be on Tuesday, 9/14 as usual. On Tuesday, the 14th of September. Can you believe it's already halfway through September? Wow. And the link will be posted in the announcements on Sunday, 9/12, which will be tomorrow. Now, do keep in mind that your due date and your live lecture assignments are always going to be due tomorrow as well. But next week, we're going to focus a lot on icons and symbols and really talk a lot about some cool things with how symbols and icons are used, especially in what I like to do, which is video games. So it kind of helps out with that. So... all right. But other than that, another thing I noticed too, there's just something I noticed that some people are kind of confusing persuasive versus emotional responses sometimes. And that's because emotional response, a persuasive image is a subset of an emotional response. The emotional response tends to focus on emotion. These are visuals that draw out certain aspects of emotion that focus on like the location of certain elements to cause emotions. Persuasive images, such as we've been talking about, and mood setting colors like color, lighting, attributes, and stuff. Persuasive images are just images that evoke emotion to convince or sway an opinion. And that's what they are specifically. They're a subset of the main core of emotional. And I just saw that little confusion right there to keep in mind. And that's a good example to use for your paper, is to use a visual that is a persuasive image on that website that's supposed to persuade the audience to use this product or to use this service or something in that line. So that's a good response for your paper to draw it out, and then use an example or some type of data to back up the reasoning for that. So that's a good way. So yeah, I noticed there was a little bit of some confusion there, but other than that, that's pretty much it. But yeah, so that's all I got for you. Just good luck with your projects this weekend. Just real quick, easy piece of cake. And if you need anything, just let me know. I'll be online pretty much most of the day tomorrow, and except for the evening. I'll have a hockey game later in the evening. But message me if you need me, okay? Other than that, have a great weekend. Enjoy. See you for the last week next week. All right. Bye, guys.